Hello there, my friends. So I got the JLab Go Air Pops recently because you guys wanted me to. Thanks for the suggestion. And so how do you charge these things? Okay, so the earbuds charge off the case, but you have to charge the case first, right? So if there were a charge right now in the case, these earbuds would be charging, but I just got them, so they need to be charged. So I got to charge the case. So how do you do that? Well, at the bottom here, this thing, this little dongle here, this is a USB. I know it doesn't look like a USB. A lot of people get confused by it. So what you need to do is, you can't obviously plug this directly into a wall, but you can plug it into a USB port on the side of your laptop, right? So fits right in the side of the laptop. Now remember, the laptop is closed. My laptop's closed. It has to be on in order for this to power up, right? So let's open the laptop. Oh man, is that dusty. And you can see it's starting to flash now, right? So it's getting a charge. That's basically what that means. This little light flashing there. So remember that. And then, so if you don't want to leave your, you can do this while you're working on your laptop, whatever. Let's say you don't have a laptop or you don't want to do that. You don't want to leave your laptop and you want to charge them overnight or something like that. You can also use a charging, like a brick. This is from my tablet. That's why it says Amazon on it. For the Fire tablet. Plug that in like that. And then plug this into a standard, I got an extension cord right here, but like a standard outlet. And there you go. Now you're charging. So that's 2 ways to charge your JLab Go Air Pop earbuds. I hope this video helped you. If it did, smash like and let me know if you have any comments or questions. I'll be posting more videos about these as I use them and review them. So have a great day. See you on the next one.